Naalala ko tuloy yung client ko, Australian 'to, e-commerce. This was back in 2019 and nagla-live ako neto madalas sa Facebook. Tapos sabi ko, "Uy, ganda ng bayad neto, ah." Alam niyo Australian clients, they pay very, very well. Back then usong-uso na yung term na premium, and I haven't made up my mind if I wanna call this client premium. Sabi ko parang hindi pa din, gano'n. But one thing that I noticed is that they expect value for every dollar, for every hour, for every task. And looking back, I think that's fair. But while working for this client, I was actually working with another VA na galing sa agency. And under agency, you're doing the work, you're building the relationship with the client. Pero yung kawork ko, ang sabi niya, parang she felt that she's not getting paid based on the value that she's doing for the client. Kasi nga, pareho kami ng ginagawa, pero less yung nakukuha niya. Nung time naman na yon sa Upwork ako, so wait lang yung kaltas. So nung time na yun parang 5% ata kaltas nung Upwork, nagpapago-bago na kasi siya. And I actually told her, "No, what if you could earn more while the client pay less?" And walang magbabago dun sa workflow. So I gave her some suggestions and she was able to implement it naman. And this co-VA, ano ha, may communication pa rin kami ngayon. Kasi she's still doing part-time lang. Part-time na nga lang siya dun sa ano, sa e-commerce business ni client. Kasi for the most part, ano yung tawag sa e-commerce na ano? Fulfillment. Sa fulfillment na lang yung kailangan at saka coordination with the warehouse. Anyway, if you are a virtual assistant working with an agency, tapos ang client ninyo is Australian or New Zealand, mag-comment kayo dyan ng VA consultation. I was able to convince a client na baka pwede siya magbigay na free VA consultation for my audience, and not everyone will get it ha, mamimili pa din siya, but it's a private, I would refer to it as like a private career and earning consultation. I think that a lot of Filipinos would benefit from talking to him kasi meron siyang mga nare-recommend na iba't ibang processes on how you can earn more as a virtual assistant. If you work for an agency pero hindi Australian or New Zealand yung client mo, mag-comment ka pa rin ng VA consultation. But I don't think na yun yung ipa-priority niya na i-meet just because syempre mas familiar siya sa Australian and New Zealand market kasi taga doon siya. Okay? Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!